Alright, so meron tayo dito ngayong bagong camera mount, and this is from Ulanzi. Camera suction cup SC02. Sa box makikita natin ay ang kanyang carrying pouch. And then we have the main suction. Ito yan. Actually nabuksan ko na to but gusto ko lang din ipakita dahil ang ganda ng quality. Yun siya. Yun diba? And then dito meron tayong Allen key. And then plate for the camera. And also yung mismong arm niya. Itong rotating arm. Pwede mo siyang ikabit from this side or this side, And then itong plate naman na ito is pwede mong ikabit to your camera or to this plate. Yan, ganyan. And then this one, ikakabit natin yan dito. Parang ganyan. Ang pagkakaalam ko is ipupush mo siya until itong red part is nandito na. Dudulo na siya. So let's see. Ayun, hanggang sa mawala yung red part na yan. And then to release it, hold mo lang dito sa knob na yan. Yung naka-indent na yan. And then hila lang. Yun. Bale, you let the air in. Yun. Medyo mahirap tanggalin. Yeah. Yun lang. Pwede makakos ng gasgas. Pero mukhang wala naman. Once na mounted na dito itong plate, we can now insert this part. Bale, isa-slide mo lang yan. Push in. And then, yun. Bale, nag-push in tayo dahil meron yan ditong spring-loaded na mechanism. Yan. Para hindi mahuhulog yung plate sa part na yan. Yan. So, mag-i-slide lang siya in this area. Then, pwede mo na yan pahigpitan ngayon. So, for this one, pwede na natin siyang kabitan ng quick release plate or in my case, dahil hindi naman tayo gumagamit ng camera ngayon, itong phone holder. So this is our Ulanzi SC2 partnered with our phone mount from our tropa Wally. So yun, solid na solid. Ang suction mount na ito ay kaya mag-carry ng full frame camera and a lens. So just imagine that, napaka-solid. So tatry na natin yan ngayon i-mount dito sa dulo. And suction tayo. Bale, ganyan na yung itsura niya ngayon. Ulanzi SC2 partnered with the phone mount. So itong phone mount na to is hindi dito kasama. Marami namang mabibili sa online. Nasa 100, 200, 300. Depende sa klase na gusto mo. Merong spring loaded pero for me personally, mas gusto ko yung ganitong type. And thankfully meron yung tropa ko and binigay niya lang sa atin to. Yan. So ganun lang. See? Tsaka, when you're driving, hindi siya, alam mo yun, hindi siya obstruction. Kasi napakalayo na niyan. Usually, nandito naman yung mga tao and yung mga motor. For this one, I don't think nasa gabal siya. Nasa taas na. Yung mga jeep nga, nandito yung mga placard eh. Diba? Usually, nandito lang yung view mo for the kalsada. And then this part usually is for the pedestrians and other vehicles na passing. So, yun. Napaka-solid. So, ngayon, itry natin siyang i-mount. Ayan ayos. Pwede na pang pang vlog. Pang memories. Yan siya. And then, adjust lang natin. Adjust it to your liking. If you've ever watched Sam Sulik's vlog, medyo ganyan yung angle niya eh. And yun yung pinatry kong i-achieve for this angle. So now, let's try na mag-ikot. By the way, this is the front camera ng iPhone 17. Maganda naman siya, wide. But I think wider if yung back camera yung gagamitin natin. Also, most likely makikita niyo yung front view ko pagka naka wide angle tayo. So ganyan siya, ano. Pwede ka na mag talking head videos dito, pwede ka na mag chika-chika. So bali for this videos, ang goal ko lang naman is really to capture more of the memories, ano. I have the tool, I have the knowledge in editing, so why not use it, ano. Gusto ko lang ng video na, alam mo yun, something na you can look back on to where you are at during that time at life, in your life, ano, in my life. So ayun yun, kaya ako to ginagawa, itong mga video na to. Actually, nakakailang video pa lang uli ako na na-upload, and most of these videos na ginagawa ko is really starter videos, ano, I would say, tipong low effort to produce, ano, almost no music, raw cuts lang. And I think YouTube is going towards that way, more of what's really happening and less stimulating. Kasi if you notice, like for example sa TikTok, Facebook, Shorts, ang tendency is, ang attention span ng tao is at maximum 30 seconds, no, into watching content. So YouTube is really going at a different path, na tipong YouTube is at a point wherein yung mga tao dun is going there to really view long form content, and I want to maximize on that, ano, I want to use that. So yun, hindi ko lang alam dito with Apple, ayun, AFAE lock. Ang gusto ko kasi mangyari is hindi siya mag-auto exposure, pero yan, mukhang ngayon naka auto exposure and AF lock siya. So another thing bago sa ating buhay is we are slowly getting back to the gym, ano, slowly getting active. Yun naman yun eh. I think small disciplines will alam mo yun, magbe-build up yan. If you've ever read the book Atomic Habits, yun yung sinasabi doon, na small habits lang every day, continuously do it, and then after a while mabibuild up siya, ano. So yun lang din yung goal ko dito, no, small habits, small videos, less effort na videos. Maybe eventually full blown edit ko siya every once in a while, but I love the feeling na pwede kong gawin yung ganitong videos lang wherein magsasalita ka lang sa camera, ano. So yun, ano, some of the things na pinagkakabalahan ko ngayon is workout, and finding new clients to continue my aviation dream. So I think itong YouTube is one of those things na gusto kong gamitin for me to fund that, ano, not just fund it, also to capture the moment. Kasi actually madami akong footage nung about a few months ago, about late last year nung nag-start ako sa aviation journey ko, but there were some challenges, ano, most especially sa finance, ano, sa pera na dumadaloy sa atin. So ayun, may mga kailangan tayong unahin, and I think normal lang naman yun, ano, sa kahit sino, especially for someone na self-fund, ano, kumbaga may mga ganun talagang challenges. Kung mayaman ka, edi okay, ano, then you can just continue But if you're working and you're studying, medyo iba yung hurdles natin, ano. And I think that's what makes our journeys unique. Ano, kanya-kanyang challenges yan. Kahit na super yaman mo, may mga challenges ka rin naman eh. Ano. So, it's just nice to know na pwede mo yung malampasan. Ano. So anyway, we're about to park. And I think that's already a content.